Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. For our March episode, we're going to be making lucky Shamrock treat boxes. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk while supplies last. Included in the kit are one 12 by 12 inch piece of double-sided craft paper, one template printed on a piece of thick cardstock, about a cup of paper confetti, and a few chocolate gold coins. You will also need to find a pair of scissors and a writing utensil that will show up on your craft paper. To get started, I'm going to cut out my box pattern. You'll see that I'm going to cut only the solid lines, not the dotted lines. Next, I'm going to cut out this rectangle. The easiest way is to gently fold over your paper and cut out that slice, just like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now that our pattern is cut out, we are ready to trace. Lay out your pattern with your shamrock towards the edge of the paper. Then carefully trace around your template. Make sure that you trace that notch that you cut out as well. Now I'm going to rotate my pattern and trace it all over again on the other side of the paper. When you do this, you want to make sure that your corner designs alternate, so it should be shamrock, point, shamrock, point. You don't want two of the same design side by side. Also, be sure to line up your pattern so that it connects with the other one in the center. Now you're ready to cut out the outline of the pattern, and you should end up with something that looks like this. Next, we're going to make a fold for each of our 4 sections of the box. Quick tip, if you notice pencil lines from where you were tracing, you might make that the interior of the box. Nobody's going to see it. After making your 4 folds, you should have a square at the base of the box. Hide your coins and a little confetti inside, then line up the 2 shamrock pieces and pull the other side with the notch over the entire shamrock. Repeat the same process on the other side of the box to secure it. As a finishing touch, you'll want to fold out the top of the box to make that shamrock shape. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day!